Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, we have seen there is a downfall, and this downfall has come after a period of 10th June. It has tried to go upside but has not break this particular level and made a swing at our particular level of 123, and from there we have seen it is continuously coming down. Now after that, what we have seen, a swing is created at this particular level and it has tried to maintain for some time, and then again we have seen a swing at this level and it has made a support of $85.76. okay, and this is the biggest support. I have told you that once this level breaks downside, we can see it can move further down, and this particular level is a weak resistance, weak support, so probability will be high we can see it can move further down. Okay, as of now it is trading at around $86.62. okay, and if that level sustain, okay, and a swing it has already made at around $85.76. okay, and this is a support, is a weak support, so if probability will be high if it goes or around in this particular level, we can see it can move further down. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart for the next 2 days. See, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude, and a telegram link also I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, now suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can come up and touch a level of $89.06, which is a first resistance, and if that resistance sustain, a probability will be very high, we can see it can touch a level of $90.30. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability of touching $92.64, and this particular level is not sustained, so what we can see, a bounce towards a downside, or then a next support we can see coming at around 91.54. so we can see again a trend towards an upside, and then the next resistance we can see coming at around $95.66. okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $97.45, and $97.45 is a resistance which is already being tested here, so probability is high, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $101.75. okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of around, we can see a probability of it can touch a level of around $102.82. okay, and once the price sustain above that level, then there is a probability we can see it can go and touch a level of $104.47. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $108.73. okay, now once the price sustain above 108, then we can see it can move further upside, because the trend will change towards on the upper side, because a pattern will form which shows the probability that it can move further upside. okay, but suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, okay, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $85.76, which is again a weak support, so probability will be very high, we can see it can move further down, and this level has not come for so long, so we can see if it falls below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $84.11, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $82.46. okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $77.64, and if it falls below that particular level, then we can see a level of $77. okay, and suppose if that 77 also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of $74.34. okay, and if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $70.46. okay, and once the price fall below $70.46, the next support is $65. okay, so once the price comes 65, then we can see a bounce back again towards an upside. okay, and if the price fall below 70, I'll make another video explaining where it can move, or you can mail me regarding any doubt you have. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.